Hello YouTube, what's up? Almost a decade ago, I created a poll on my YouTube channel asking about what kind of video you wanna watch next. You guys voted to make a series of video showing Filmora X video editing. So I have made the first video of that series. Yeah, I know it's been a long time. I am so sorry for that. I have my reasons for that and I can't help it. So please forgive me for that. And make sure you subscribe my channel, and if you like this video please give us a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Okay then, enough of all and let's start the tutorial. Okay, so our first step is to open the Filmora X application. After opening the app, you will see this kind of interface, which is a little bit confusing for the beginners because it's too much complicated. But don't worry, I am here to help you. Now here we can see the interface of the app. Here we can see two timelines. If you look closely, you can see the upper line is for the videos and those time stamps are to simplify the timeline, and this lower timeline is for audios. In the left upper corner, you can see videos, audios and extra sections. We will talk about that a little bit later. Let's import a video and edit it. You have to press import button and select the video you want to edit. Then take it to the timeline. You can simply press the plus button or drag the video to the timeline. Both will work similarly. Now we are just editing the video part in today's video, so let's separate the audio and focus on the video. You can drag the timestamp to adjust as you like. After adjusting, let's see the editing options. The first option is scissor. You can cut the video by scissor anywhere you want to. Just drag the red line and left click on the scissor just like this. Now you can see we have cut the video. Now our first option is to crop the video by own liking. We can use the preset setting, or we can crop personally. You can use the preset setting or you can customize it personally. Like this, you can crop and adjust your video. The second option is the speeding of the video. You can speed up or slow down your videos by using this section. Here you can see 2x, 4x, 8x, 0.25x, 0.50x. These are the options of speeding or slowing down your video. You can use this or make your custom speed setting. And this section is called green screen section, and it is the most helpful setting for your YouTube channel. The beginners will enjoy it very much, but today we are not gonna talk about that. We are going to talk about stabilization and auto enhance today. You can use the stabilization for stabilize your video and enhance mode to enhance your video. Let me show you. Like this, you can enhance your video or stabilize your video as much as you can. Those other sections are similar to the green screen section, so you not have to worry about this. Let's finish it here. Okay then, I think that's enough for today's video. I hope you like the video. If you did, please like the video and press the subscribe button. And if you need any more about anything else, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.